What happened? Yeah, man, you know I did the BG last night concert. Man, real man. Live in concert. BG did his thing. I that was supposed to support me. Come fuck with me. I see you now. But on the other hand, though, you know I did my thing. Where your hard at? Dripping. Traffic started slowing shit down after a while. And you know, got the mixtape out. But she got the boss supposed to have a mixtape. Passed it out. Gave him his name, BG. You know, a couple artists. Shout out to Slick, Lil Caesar, Hitman, Tata. She did her thing. You know the little female that you look back at it. Yeah, she did her thing. Maybe that's it. So she locked with this man. She locked the ball. Cutter boy did everything. You know, while they there, she at the next show.